Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another TeslaTunity, and if I look tired, it's because I am. It's just after 5 a.m. here in South Florida, and Rafael, Teslatino, is about to come pick me up, and we are going to head north for the Kennedy Space Center with the Model 3 Owners Club. So this is going to be a special video, actually. I'm going to take you back through this entire week, starting with Cars and Coffee, the Model 3 Owners Club podcast, and our visit to Kennedy Space Center. So this is going to be a behind-the-scenes look at a week with the Model 3 Owners Club. Come along with me and I will show you what happened.
I don't know if he's going to end up putting this into high speed, if he's going to use stills, if there's even any audio in this later on. I'm going to superimpose music in this, in case he's not hybrid. Subscribe to TeslaTunity. There's a link right there on the bottom right as I'm pointing to it. It's down over there. But yeah, subscribe. That way you get notifications when there's new videos. He's trying to get multiple things put up every week, like Trevor is over here. Awesome content, great stuff. Or don't do it, I'm not your mother, I don't really care. But your mom did call, seriously, subscribe to it, because she's worried about it. And call her, call your mom, right?
Sage advice.
Call your mom. Sage. Unless you live with your mother, in which case, write her a nice note, make her breakfast someday, pancakes. If you have maple syrup, make sure it's from Canada. It's the best maple syrup there is. Right, Ian?
Is there any other, how is that not even, how's that a question?
See?
What other maple syrup is there? There's other maple syrups?
Yes.
There is?
Yes.
I was unaware. Sad. Shouldn't be.
Are you guys paying attention?
Come on, Rafael, a little closer.
Yeah, we are.
And then air.
Oh, same better.
Okay, well, now, all right.
Too close.
Okay, this isn't summer camp, dude.
Too close.
Oh, man, alive. So,
Yeah. Now what?
are we starting?
What do we talk about?
What are we talking about?
Let's just sync some. Oh, yeah, we need to. Only one person.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Final cut, we'll freak out. All right, here we go. Good sync up?
Yep.
All right, let's get one more.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh!
And we're
Started already.
Yeah.
So this is how we start.
This is how it starts.
That's how it starts.
This is how it starts.
This is how we'll end.
Anything else you want to talk about, or? Oh,
Wow.
wow!
Really?
Are you kidding me?
No way.
We've just had a power failure.
The question is it our gear or is it the whole neighborhood?
No, well, it's I don't know. The house is without power. That's for sure.
No, that's
This is footage money can't buy.
Unprecedented podcast material.
I don't even remember when there was the blackout here. Like,
It's not hurricane season.
And there's also no vulgarity in the show
It's
so
the
far.
whole
That's
neighborhood.
yeah.
Okay, well, listen, when it comes up, we'll come back. Well, when it comes back home, we'll.
Wow.
The good thing about cameras, battery backup.
Yeah, they're still going.
Still rolling.
All right, we're back. All right, everyone, we're at the West Melbourne, Florida Supercharger. Couple stalls here. We are the only ones here on our road trip, so check it out. Trevor, Model 3 Owners Club.
That's my hair.
Here, let me flip this around for you.
That's my hair.
There you go.
I'm getting old.
Looking good, looking good. Got Rafael and the Mystique TeslaCam Model 3.
yes,
He's ready to occupy Mars.
I'm ready. Ready to occupy Mars and anything in between.
And Magneto is changing his mind. Slow charging. All right. Performance Model 3 needs faster charging. So Magneto, Performance Model 3, is getting a 380 efficiency number. Rafael in the rear wheel drive Model 3 is getting 300. Same speed, same route, same everything. So if you get that performance car and you use it, well, you're gonna have some fun with it, but you're gonna use some more efficiency. All right, a few minutes of juice here, and we are off to Cape Canaveral to pick up Brad.
Actually, we're gonna pick up Brad.
Garsh from Model 3 Owners Club, one of the moderators. Then we're off to Kennedy Space Center. So you got Rafael unplugging in the background. Let's go. Where are we going again? Going to look at rockets.
We're gonna pick someone up?
Yeah, Brad, then
Okay.
rockets.
Okay.
Rockets, Brad.
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
I'm Brad.
Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you
meet you.
too. Oh wow, too many cameras. Where to look?
I'm in between both channels.
All right, we're here at Port Canaveral. We just picked up Brad Garsh, Model 3 Owners Club Forum. And next stop, Kennedy Space Center, but we might have a little pit stop, so stay tuned. Let's see how we do this.
That's one small squeeze for Michael.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep.
If you lay on your back, it's even crazier.
I'll tell you what. You gotta go. This is the natural way to get out. And then you go, we landed on the moon!
Wrong capsule.
It's alright.
Alright.
One of the two things that they were just model.
Yeah.
You got the music cutting in as well. It's perfect.
Birds chirping. Tour. My tour guide. Woo! We're over here on the Kennedy Space Center tour, and it is windy over by the pads.
Super windy. I just about lost my hat.
You won't hear anything in this video.
So I put music on top of it. We'll be okay.
Yeah.
We'll have closed captioning.
There you go. I'll try to remember what you guys said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stuff.
There you go.
Space.
Space stuff happening that way, behind us. All right, you can see the, there it is, launch pad back there. SpaceX getting set up soon. Check it out. All right, so we're on the ground here, vehicle assembly building. Check it out. Pretty impressive. Kind of hard to get the perspective of how large this building is, but check out the sign here. The doors alone are 456 feet high. All right, that's it. Crazy week with the Model 300s Club coming to a close here at Pizza at in Titusville. Highly recommended. But that's it, guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye.